Hey, what's going on, guys? Today, man, we're going to be working on Chris's bike. He actually already started. I don't know if you guys can hear him. Look at him sitting over there. I mean, right in front of my house. Yeah, so I was going to show you guys. We got a platform from a place that TTI Steel, like we had in our previous video. So what he's doing is he's putting a battery on top of his electric motor, which is just like right there underneath our seat. So yeah, we're just gonna work up on the frame that we're doing right now and see how it goes.
All right, guys, I'm gonna show you what's going on right now. So we got the angle grinds. How do you say it? Angle grinds?
Angle grinded it.
I angle grinded it. Okay. I got these two. We're also grinding it up there, so that this piece right here that Mike's working on can fit in with the welder. So it's gonna go right there for a second deck. Unlike a combustion engine, I need batteries. This is gonna be the Tesla bike. It's gonna go like 900 miles an hour. So batteries are gonna sit on top, engine's gonna be at the bottom with the speed controller. In the splash zone.
Alright, guys, so right now we're just taking apart Chris's bike and we're gonna paint it afterwards, and then we're gonna show you guys how it turns out. Alright, guys, so we took the whole bike apart. I labeled each bag so we know how to put it back together and what each part goes to, so you don't forget, or like you don't put like the wrong parts and the wrong stuff. So yeah, this is all the mini parts that we have for the go-kart, like for the mini bike. I mean, like the axles, whatever, the connectors, whatnot, and the kickstand, brake. Here's the seat, the bracket for your feet, and the rims and wheels. The frame's not in here right now. We brought it out to the side and the back so we can paint it. We're gonna sand it and paint it. And Chris wants to use this really nice fluorescent orange, which is gonna pop really well.
All right, guys, now it's time for a little paint job. I sanded a little bit. Now we're just gonna wash it off, get all the grease off. Then we're gonna put a cool new orange color on it.
Alright, guys, that's the end of this video. We just put some paint on this. We're gonna put it back together next time. And we got some brand new merch from our guy at Menlo Mall. Brand new bucket hat, brand new visor. These shirts, we'll be wearing this all the time now, so we'll get to you guys next time. Make sure you like and subscribe.
See you guys next time.
Perfect.